What's going on, everybody? It is your host, wrong channel. What's going on, everybody? It is your host, Krusermedia here, also known as Nick. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be doing something pretty cool. It is a very snowy day in Colorado, and I have this thing where I take my Subaru out every year that we get a crazy snowstorm. And today is certainly a crazy snowstorm. You will see once we go outside. But I have this thing on my Instagram where every year during one of the craziest snowstorms of the year, I take my Subaru out, take some pictures, and post those to Instagram. So I'm going to bring you guys along for the journey today because it's going to be fun. We're going to go rip the Subaru out in the snow, take some pictures, have a video, have some fun. This is going to be more of a BTS style video. So I hope that you guys do enjoy. Without further ado, guys, we're going to go grab the keys. We're going to have some fun in the snow. We're going to get all geared up, ready to go. And guys, I will see you all in a little bit. Got the bag, got the gimbal, because we are going to record some footage today to make this one a little special since I am into video now. We got the keys. Let's go give her a nice little cold start. It's going to be a rough one today. Oh, baby, it's going to be beautiful out. It's going to be a rough start, boys. It's going to be a real rough start. Oh, there she is. All right. That exhaust clip. And, of course, my favorite part of my car. We're going to go ahead and clean her off. And then we're going to head out and go take some pictures. So we're not going anywhere too far away. We're gonna kind of keep it a little local, but we're gonna have some fun with it. Ooh, we're sliding. Ooh, we're sliding. We're gripping too much. I don't think that there's a median here, so I can see my wipers are shit. Well, we were kicking up quite a bit of stuff, but here she is in all of her glory. Just don't look at the hood because the hood is discolored. It's silver carbon though, trust me. It's not just silver. I actually get some video before because this is the lens that I shoot with, so I'm just gonna strap this up, get some quick video, and then we're gonna end up taking some pics. It's kind of an old setup here, but we've got a monitor here. We've got our Ronin M, and then this full ring and the controller for the Ronin M as well. Shooting on an A7 II. This is the 28-70 Sony. So yeah, we're gonna take this out, get some clips, and then we're gonna shoot some pictures. Alright guys, so we're gonna just shoot a couple pictures here. We're on the Rokinon 35 1.4. So we're just gonna go ahead and snap a couple quick shots here just for the post. And then we're gonna go do some drifting over there. Get some clips of that. Okay, we're gonna swap it out, head into there, do some drifting, get some clips, and then we're gonna call it a day because it's fucking cold. Boys, well, we had some fun out here, did some donuts, had some fun. Anyways, this is gonna be it for the video because I'm freezing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did so, help me out, leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, boys, and I'll see you in the next one.